हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज पढ़ा आम फंक्शंस ऑफ टीचिंग ऑफ सोशल स्टडीज। ता पूर्व मुझे आपको मो चैनल विषय किसी कहबी। मो चैनल हूँ एजुकेशन फॉर ऑल। यदि आपको विषय देखी सारापर भल लगुच ताहले आपण लाइक करूँ, सब्सक्राइब करूँ, आपण सांग भितर शेयर करूँ। बर्तमान आम जाना फंक्शंस ऑफ टीचिंग ऑफ सोशल स्टडीज। To the beginning of teaching of any subject, it is important to know the object activities and its usefulness. This gives us help. This gives us help to fulfill the aims and to draw proper planning. This means that when we going to teach any subject, any of that subject in the world, we first try to know about the objectives, activities, and usefulness of that subject. After that, we try to study. That helps us fulfill the aims and that helps us to fulfill the aims and teaching process of that things. Then we learn what is the functions of social studies. First, social experience. One important part of social studies is to provide enough social experience to the student. One of the important part of social studies. Social studies is vast element, vast study, vast subject. One important part of social study is to provide social experience to the children. Before taking admission in the educational institution, a child has already got enough social experts from the family, relatives, neighbors, teammates in the playground, already knows how to adjust and behave with others. Social studies is one of the important aspects that provides social experience to the student. When a student going to admission in any school, any educational institution, he has proper knowledge. He has enough knowledge which is acquired by his family, neighbors, teammates, playgrounds, and his age mates. He knows how to adjust and behave with others. When he joins the school, he makes new friends, new groups, and gets more opportunities participate in various activities. When a child entered in the classroom, he or she has many new friends, new groups, new opportunities. As he moves higher classes, he gradually comes to know of the past of the family life, religious institution, and also native states, and how these have been successful or unsuccessful in different ages. In this told to him a very systematic manner, and that former subject matter of social studies. What we know social experience. Social experience is that social studies is important aspect. When a child got admitted in any educational institution, he must know how to behave with others, and he acquired this knowledge from his families, relatives, and neighbors, teammates, and age mates, and playground friends. Second, creation of social skills. The experience of social behavior is useful till the time of skills, activate, and techniques are not learned, which be of help in the future. Reading and writing and reflections are necessary skills which are essential for health. The experience of social behavior is useful till the time of skills, creatives, and techniques are not learned, which be help to the future. Reading, writing, and reflections are necessary skills which are essential for a health, vital, and positive society in the future. There are few other qualities that are also acquired, like respective futures. There are also few others: caring for others, tolerance of individual differences, comparison of enemies, and making comparison with opponent. Social studies teaches us all those things. Creation of social skills. Social studies is a medium which creates social skills. That means reading, writing, reflections are necessary for healthy, vital, and positive society. There are few other qualities. That means caring, tolerance, individual differences, comparison of enemies, making compromises, etc. are we got from social skills, social studies. To provide social knowledge. Acquiring social experience or developing social skills is an important part of social studies, but giving social knowledge is equally important. It is very This subject is a storehouse of such knowledge. Child acquiring this knowledge through reading, moving, listening, and lecturing or by silent comprehension, and through various activities by lectures or by silent comprehension, and through various activities associated with education. After that, social standard, social society. Every society set a social standard to its members to follow. Society gets more norms for people, groups, and creation of institution. These peoples are expecting truth, obeying and laws, and believing in appropriate manner. After that, to provide information about social problem. If we do not read social science, we are not able to know about our social problems, such as uh, such as we such that we are not able to participate social problem solving activities in a better manner, as they will encourage the field answers difficult problems. The students will know in the bargaining and the beneficial to them. After that, social change. One of the aims of social studies is to create awareness about expression nature of the situation created by invention atomic and hydrogen bombs. There is there is a change of physical and social environment due to development taking place, social science, environment, etc. Friends, these chapters are important for OSTT, OABS, and also contact teacher, junior teacher, and also BD, CT, and various types of engagement, teachers engagement like ABS and BS. So please follow my channel. I will help you better to acquire this. Thank you.